Hello everyone. So this is going to be a video about how our Discord server works and how to set it up properly so that it's no longer overwhelming and you can get everything that you want to out of it. So I'll start off by showing you how to join our Wadster Bet Bots server. So first up, you just need to download the app or download it on your web browser. And to join the server, you have to press the plus, and you'll have an invite link. I'll have shared it somewhere, and you'll say join the server. You'll paste the invite link in and click join. And then here you are onto the onboarding. So the onboarding is how you set up your server to get started. So we'll say yes, we do want to join the community. Yes, I would like some information about getting started on the bet bots, and these are the rules. So you just read through the rules, make sure it's all pretty much common sense. Read the rules, finish, and then you have information about how things work, and you have 4 different steps to take, so that to give you kind of like an overview of the server that we're running. So first of all, on the get started, you'll look into how our server works. This video is about to get posted here, I'm just doing a screen recording at the moment, and it will give all the information about like the steps ahead sort of thing. But yeah, you've got it kind of insights to our web links, important web links on there. Then you'd go on to about finding the bet bots, and here it'll tell you what you're signing up to. It'll tell you about the bet bots themselves and the tipsters that we have, and there's a demo video on how our bet bots work. The next thing to check out is our premium channels. So we've got 2 premium options on the bet bots, and one of them is just for my tennis betting members only, and the other is a general option, which I'll cover in a different video actually. But yeah, you'd read through this and see if this is interesting. At the moment, all you've got access to are the different columns on the left hand side, but the premium member role, which you pay £10 a month for, gives you access to some additional channels. So on the left here, these all represents different bits of information for new members, and then everything you can get a role through the premium section, and this gives you some extra categories that give you some additional features. So for the premium member role, you'll have access to all the bot trialist tips. You'll have access to all the new BetBot releases. You'll have access to the chat, the general community chat, where we'll discuss all things BetBots and betting with the Wadster members. You'll have the chance to offer your own suggestions and new features, and give feedback on the tipsters and how you're following certain tipsters, whether you want to say something about the odds or whatever. And then yeah, you can post and follow the other members' tips. So yeah, so this is a screenshot of how it will look on the left hand side with these additional channels, which you unlock by paying for the £10 a month. You'll also have stuff like winning bets, where you send your screenshots of the bot, and you get your bot trialists with their own channels as well. So there's plenty of additional value that you get from the extra £10, even if on the free channels you can get a lot of things as well, which yeah, I'll cover a little bit more in a minute. And then for the tennis members, there's also a different VIP role that's separate. You get write-ups, you get additional, outright bets on occasion, and quarter breakdowns, and yeah, some other things that I'll sort of mention at a different time, so this doesn't take ridiculously long. Payment links there. If you click them, it'll take you to them. And we also have the results from the recent month. So you've got the September results, which will get updated at the every end of each month, so you can see how all the different BetBots services are doing, alongside the yearly results as well. And additional to that, you have the all-time results. For new members who haven't maybe signed up to the BetBots before, you've got information here, like here on this will provide updates to all my YouTube videos when I post them. So for example, I've just done this as a test for kind of about the project itself, where the bot inspiration came from. You'll have questions that you can ask about certain tipsters, and we might make an FAQ section down the line, so that can cover certain things. But yeah, if you have any tipster questions or questions about how the bot works on anything that I might not have covered here. We've got testimonials, so this is all from Trustpilot and just showing that we are legit. And we also will run competitions and giveaways. So yeah, but these are just sort of like fun channels to look at as well. And yeah, you'll also, if you click on the channels and roles, there's it'll give you the option for like additional channels, free channels that you might want to talk about. If you're a football fan, you can click that, and it gives you a new category on the left. So you have football chat, and you can join that. You can have golf and basketball, and yeah, they will all be navigatable on the left hand side, and you can just chat about whichever sport you want. We'll kind of introduce new channels as well, as sort of depending on customer demand, some members demand what they want, and stuff like that. So hopefully we'll have a vibrant kind of community on here in no time at all. But yeah, don't want to make this too long. There's a general overview of how Discord works. So as I'll just quickly go through the key steps again. So the first step would be to download the app either on the App Store, or you can download it on the PC as well. And it's a nice clean format if you download the PC app for it. I'm on the web browser, but yeah, you can get the app as well, which is, you can see on my screen just now. It's a little bit cleaner. And then you do the onboarding. So you'll join the server, press the plus, join the server, type, copy and paste the link. Once you've pasted that link in, you join, and it takes you to the onboarding. The onboarding is where you say that you want to join, you accept the rules. After you've accepted the rules, you then go through those 4 steps. You can check out the information, the premium info, you check the results, and you can check out more about the bots themselves as well. So yeah, that basically covers everything that I want to cover. And also, if you want to ask questions privately, you can create tickets. You click that. Yeah, and that's a way of sort of getting support. You'll just type in your request and stuff like that there. So yeah, that's everything. And yeah, talk to you all soon.